today we're going to be planting seeds. And I'm going to be announcing the person who won the free seeds. Who's your pioneer? So, who's your pioneer? You need to send us a message on YouTube, and you gotta tell us your address so you can get your seeds delivered to your house. I think we got some fancy cucumbers for you. So guys, remember in the last video, we did this, and now we're gonna get ready to plant some lettuce, carrots, beets, and radishes. Maybe not all of them, but hopefully. So guys, we're gonna be planting on the side some red romaine lettuce. And we're just gonna cover it back up when we're done. But we don't want to do that now because it won't even grow because there's no seeds to be grown, right? Sprinkle them carefully down the row. Make sure you don't leave any of the dirt out. All the dirt wants to be nice and have seeds in it. Oh, thick and juicy, by the dawn's early light. I'm just gonna be covering them up. Just like that. So now we're gonna be putting some buttercrunch lettuce in the second rows. These are very small and fragile. Just kidding. They're not fragile, but they are really small. Can you see those? Well, yes. Just make a bit more room there. And so random. After you cover them up, then you can go back and pat them down if you want to. So guys, we are going to be using seed tape. And the instructions are on the back. Dig a furrow in the well-worked soil, easily, slow, and perfect rows. Great results with less work. Okay, that's where we're going to be planting them. And we are going to be doing these colorful ones. Me likey. And then we're just going to be doing these plain, normal carrots. I mean, I don't hate them. I still like them, but they're just not as fun. Do you know what I mean? Just slowly and carefully. Well, you gotta get some out. And you don't want 2 rows of them. Just want the 1 row. Yeah. Hang on, I'm just gonna be splitting these. I'm just gonna be splitting these so I only have the middle. Put it down. And whatever you don't need, just rip it off. Just take the soil and just sprinkle it. I have no idea if we're going to be putting stuff in the middle. And boom, just like that. Okay, it's all evened out. Now we're going to be taking some of this, sprinkling it on. And yeah, I just found out that we are going to be putting stuff in the middle. Yippee! Take it, sprinkle it, and pat it down. Take time. But it is better if you do pat it down. Yeah, but to keep schools out, we're going to put cloth over this. Remember that frost blanket from that other video? Yeah, that's what we're going to be putting on. Maybe just to be extra safe, we're going to put all 3 on. You never know. We're going to be planting our radishes. I'm just getting the white spot right here. And I'm going to be planting our beets over here. We gotta get our seeds. Let's just yeah, these are different radishes. I gotta open these. My God, why didn't my father open these? Who cares? Me strong boy. Tink, tink, ding, 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 ding. We don't want them to be too close together, because then it'll probably be like one of those like 4 trees. Well, I guess now we can call it like you know, like sometimes like when you're playing a game and like you put like 2 trees, like four trees together. Let's see if any of you guys have played Minecraft and you put like some kind of like tree, like 4 of them right next to each other, they can grow and it will make like one of those big trees. And it's just 4 trees made together. So now we're gonna be planting some beets in there from our best friend Wowo Seeds. And they're only $1.99. That's pretty cheap for seeds. I mean, it kind of makes sense. Let's just start planting. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I'm just... Ugh. Okay, so right here. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. You don't want to put them too far away, but not too far. Like, yeah, an inch is good. Ding, ding. I mean, it would be good if I knew how long an inch was. Right? Yeah. Boom. Now I gotta just do. So just stop there and just stop. And over here in the middle is where we're gonna be planting our spinach. Just gonna try to lean over and not kill any of my plants that haven't even started to grow. Ugh. Ugh. I know. Okay, done. Now we're just gonna. Ooh, that was hard. What the?
What'd you do?
I accidentally spilled some of the seeds. Don't tell anybody. Shh. I'm just gonna put some there, and now I'm just gonna be. I'm just trying to hurry. You gotta. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah. So we're just gonna have to water this just real quick and put the cloth over it. And who's your pioneer? Remember, get us a message on YouTube, like and subscribe. Bye.